Okay, I need a website, right? I need a website to run my business online. Of course. Now, we're not talking about blogging here. We're not talking about static websites. We're talking about simple pages that capture leads, that capture information from your prospects, right? And they call them capture pages. You might have heard maybe squeeze pages, landing pages. There's so many names for them and stuff like that. But we're going to call them capture pages tonight just for this training so you understand. Now, what does a capture page really do?
It captures the lead's information.
Right. This is your storefront.
Yeah.
This is the beginning of the process. When somebody sees something, they are going to what? Put their information in because they're curious and they want to find out more. Okay?
That's right.
That's very important. Now, understand, we do the done for you process on that capture page because we know what capture page converts more than the average capture page. So in other words, you want to squeeze more water out of the towel. You want as many prospects as you can from just launching, from just using that one page.
And that's the strategy we've taught ever since we became super affiliates ourselves. We've been teaching that since the get-go.
Yeah, that's one of the skill sets I learned many years ago that I still use today. Right now we're doing some new testing on some new capture pages, even the one that's working great. We always want to stay ahead of the curve and do new testing and get new capture pages going too.
Oh, yeah.
And so far, that new one that we're testing is looking pretty good.
Seeing some numbers, getting the data.
I love that. I love data. Yep. Now, here's the thing, guys. Now, you have to understand, let's talk about why done for you is not enough, okay? And this is where we come in to train you on what you need to focus on in your business when it comes to this step 2, right? You need congruency and you need clarity, all right? Congruency and clarity is one of the most important things when you are having the right capture page, right? Being connected to the right offer.
Yes,
right?
That's right. It must be congruent because otherwise what happens is if you create the wrong type of page, even though you have a really great offer, it's going to be a disconnect. And that's the reason why a lot of conversions go down.
Exactly. Now, how our system capture pages plug directly into an automated follow-up. Let's talk about that. Because this is huge, guys. I'm going to get a sip of water. I'm talking a lot. My throat gets dry. We also have air and dust in Puerto Rico this
we have a little bit of that today. Yeah.
So let's talk about why the systems capture page is important, how they plug in into the automated follow-up. Now, what we did was we actually created an automated follow-up customized for our team members, especially who go all in with us and stuff like that.
However, I'm going to chime in. We didn't just give our team members ordinary automated follow-ups. We tested with our own list first, just to make sure that that type of traffic was going to open those emails and click on those links.
Yes, and start building that relationship process and convert leads into sales.
Absolutely.
Very, very important. So when I talk about being plugged into a direct automated follow-up, yes, we created an automated follow-up. We worked hard on it so that way we know it works. And so people don't have to worry about, like, what do I write? How do I put my call to action for my link for people to click on it and go to the actual sales page and things like that? How do I build a relationship with them? All those things. Now, here's the thing. As I'm saying those things, you go, oh my God, well, wait a minute. I got to get the tools. I have to understand this process too. You see what I'm saying? You see why people get stuck? There's many little things in between that people don't understand that they have to do when it comes to marketing before they even start marketing, that they're like, I need some help. And they get stuck and they never move forward, and then they give up when they don't move forward. So our goal is to really get you guys moving forward with this 3-step Freedom Launch System. So that way you don't have to worry about all these steps. So again, connected to an automated follow-up is very important. But the other part that's important is the offer, okay? And the offer has to be the type of offer that is designed to convert those people into sales.
Yes.
Now, we can do everything correctly, right? And we can set you up and do all these great things with this system we're talking about. Unfortunately, if your offer sucks, you are like beating a dead horse. You're just wasting so much time that you're not going to get the results that you're looking for, right? And I know you desire more results in your business, but you have to look at this equation. If that offer is terrible, you're wasting time. And you could be doing everything right, guys. But if that offer is not right, you're just beating a dead horse. So just be very careful and really look at your offer, test it out, and see what's going on with that. If not, we have a great offer that's converting, and it's converting like literally almost every single day.
Yes.
It's converting leads into sales, which is amazing.
And
we
it's a
love
lot.
that.
It's a lot because of what we're talking about tonight with our formula. Is we're taking brand new people who's never made any sales online, or maybe flunked in the past with other programs, or invested heavily into high ticket affiliate marketing programs, and now they found a new replacement for that program because it's real, it's happening, and it's happening very fast. We don't like to say that because due to everybody else trying to say like disclaimer, but here's the deal. Okay, if you put the right amount of effort, the right amount of investment, and you actually connect and trust us to set up your system, and by literally putting all yourself into it, everything, you are going to start seeing and reaping the rewards.